Doped up on LSD, they arrived at the house. God knows what was going through their drug-addled minds. They kicked the door down and they entered. They started with Fiona Karpaski. She was strangled, stabbed, and branded with the cult's emblem. They hung her body up by the feet. They cut off her head, legs, arms, buttocks, and breasts. Then they roasted her flesh and ate her body around the kitchen table.
Pasta neu thigh gap? Pasta sy'n ennill bob tro. Dyma fy nghorff. #feminism?
Ble ti'n mynd?
Fi'n mynd I ladd y fenyw yma.
Housewarming Owain o'r ysgol.
Ma Baled Owen Joseph?
Yep.
O, wel, cofio fi a ti dad.
Sa'n meddwl bod e'n mynd I fod na, mam.
Beth mae Owain Joseph yn neud na byn hyn te?
Cyfrwng I wanker.
Pa'i gweud wanker, Carys?
Dal yn wew, mam.
O, wel, na fe, say no more. Gwmws fel I dad. Efe na beth o ti'n gwisgo?
Paid â dechrau.
O, reit iawn. Iddyn nhw falus.
Watch out am y cyfrwng I rapists, fe?
Pa'i gweud rapists, Carys?
Ta-ra!
Thigh gap or no thigh gap? Fi angen I un o'r cyfryngu wankers na I siago fi.
Their leader ordered this slaughter. The magnetic charm of this man was such that they would do anything to please him.
Ydy Ben yn mynd I fod na, ddo?
Bydde fe ddim yn meiddio.
Ti di clywed unrhyw beth fyna?
Na, ni ddim yn siarad amdano fe heno. Thank you, next.
Paid gadw fi fi'n adre tra bod fi wedi gorffen hwn.
Yay, fi'n caru party Carys. Just paid dechrau flasho pawb. Wel, ni fynd I gael laugh heno.
Ni'n gwybod. Fi jyst yn drist.
Diolch byth am Lowry. Sis from another miss.
Hello.
Mae gen I good vibes am y party ma.
Oh, fach bod y rhywun.
Right, ni'n mynd I gael good time heno. Ni'n mynd I nghofio mae'n holl juju sydd y tîm ymlaen.
Os na bobl pretentious yn mynd I fod yma? Probably. Ydyn ni'n mynd I embarrass o'n hunen? Gobeithio. Ni yn erbyn y byd. Agreed?
Agreed.
Iawn. Game face on nawr, Carys.
Okay.
Wel, nath hwnna ddim cymryd yn hir iawn.
God, I've had less sexy sex na hyn.
Cer I siarad y fe?
Oh, mae Gwyl Ems yma!
Media wankers fi'n actually hoffi.
Graphics wanker, actually.
Wel, na fi definitely yn media wanker.
Hiya. Ble mae Esill tano?
O, mae Mars yn thing gwaith.
Ah, gutted.
Ah, what a relief.
Bag?
Yeah. Ti'n o'r gen? How singledom?
Byw'r freuddwyd, Ems. Nôl dy mam a dad, dim job, constant fear of dying alone. Chwertha di, ond... Beth os bydd neb eisiau siago fi eto?
Ond pa bod yn stupid?
Na, serious. Beth os mae vagina fi'n rhy dew?
Beth ti'n on about?
Tymod, cigog.
Ti'n poeni bod ti vagina cigog?
Dwi ddim yn edrych o rai porn stars.
Oh, well, yeah, definitely bydd neb eisiau siago ti then.
Fuck off.
Dwi ddim fod i edrych fel un porn stars, Carys.
Ti'n meddwl bod fe'n hoffi vaginas cigog?
Na, mae'n edrych o vegan i fi.
Mae fe yn. Ti'n iawn. Reit, dy mewn.
Tenner o'r tî'n gadael gyda Fred Astaire heno.
Oh, God, na, sa'n mynd fyna eto. Fi'n chwilio am...
Parfeithrwydd? Di pawb yn fel fi bydd.
No, I thought you had a penis.
Wel, tro fi'n cerdded mewn I stafell, ti'n siarad yn penises.
Sa'n meddwl mai fe oedd the one, though.
He looks like a laugh. Turns out oedd ganddo fe gangrene cock.
Be?
Yep. Oedd rhaid I ddod off. Dim cock beth eto.
Well, you wanted to be a doctor. Pam mae Scott yn ffonetig?
Na.
Listen, Scott, she just want to talk to you.
Na.
She's out with her friends, getting fucked up, having a nice time, so piss off and leave her alone, yeah?
Carys, pam nes ti'n neud hwnna?
Be? He needs to fuck off. Okay, calm down. Ti ddim arno dim byd iddo fe, sir?
Ie, fi'n gwybod, ond...
Chi'n ymdech gilydd ddim mwy. Don't let it get to you.
Ie, ti'n iawn.
What's that got to do with it? Or anything?
Yeah, planted that lesbian fantasy firmly in your mind.
Fi'n yn ôl drink.
We just don't have a connection.
Yeah, nobody cares about Trewarin, you know, anymore. You know?
Kai, Tom, this is.
Hiya, fi yw Carys.
Ie, fi'n gwybod ti.
Oh, fi'n lib.
Fi'n credu ti'n swago ni Llangrannog pryd ni blwyddyn 7.
Oh.
Does pawb yn ffansio ti? Yeah, we were just talking about Welsh history.
Oh, I have a 2-1 in history.
Pam nes I weid hwnna?
Cool. Yeah, well, fi ti'n deall...
Gweud wrtho fe be ges di yn Tygau hefyd.
Dick. Cardiff are all so different. But really, we're all just people of the mountain. You know? Be ti'n meddwl?
Beth?
Bubbly?
Spliff? Yeah.
I mean, there's so much bullshit out there, just people making half-assed decisions.
Yeah, that's what I've been saying. That's what I admire about serial killers. Not admire, but they make big decisions and they commit wholeheartedly.
Sure, totally, yeah, just be true to what you fucking do, man.
I mean, commitment to murder is pretty different to commitment to art, no?
It's a commitment to something, isn't it?
Yeah, Kai.
Well, you should come by the gallery. See Ken and Mai's exhibition, the 48%. It's about Brexit.
I saw it. It was amazing.
She's looking for some artists to fill some spaces, so...
I haven't painted in ages.
Suck it! You'll do great.
Wow. Wow, ti'n echt wel really sexy. Mermaid. Pwy sy'n edrych arno fi fo hwnna?
Okay, well...
Mae Carys yn snog yr Indyn.
Yes, Carys.
I'm sorry, she's not usually like this.
Don't worry, he is always like this.
Fi'n mynd adre?
Vanity 10 ydw fi.
Shut it, ti.
Gael list.
Absolutely not.
Denol dyn ni.
Yes, mae pizza yn galw mas i fi nawr. Pepperoni?
Ni byth yn cael pepperoni.
Veggie.
Come on, veg.
Half na.
Chicken strippers.
Ti'n moyn mynd am pizza?
Pizza? Na. Fi moyn ti, Lan Star.
Ugh, fucking gross. A dim dyna ble mae clit fi. Na fyna. Nope, definitely dim fyna. Oh god. Mae fe'n really trio i ore. Beth yw oedran fe? Okay, pryd o'n i'n swog? 2006? 2005? So mae fe... Oh, mae fe dim ond yn 22, 23 max. Derek Carys, dyma fe o ti eisiau. Fuck this young media whore. Fuck's sakes.
That's my cardio done for the week. You want a pizza?